Do you know that a person can easily change their life and create the future they desire by making two simple changes? The power of our words and thoughts is often underestimated. Let me share with you how I discovered this secret. While flying back from an international trip, I jokingly told my wife that I would be home the following day. As fate would have it, upon reaching the gate for my final connecting flight, I was informed that my flight had been cancelled, with no further flights to my city until the next day. Coincidence? Perhaps. But a similar thing happened a few years later on another business trip, and this time severe thunderstorms were cited as the reason for my flight cancellation. These experiences taught me the profound impact of spoken words. Our words can shape our reality and have the power to create or destroy opportunities or the future we want. Our thoughts too hold immense power, capable of manifesting our desires or fears. Looking back, I should have known this earlier because my wife reminded me numerous times of the power of words, but I chose not to listen like any good husband. So, what future are you creating for yourself? It's a question that resonates with the very essence of our existence. For within our words and thoughts lies the blueprint of our destiny. We become what we tell ourselves. The words we utter carry immense power. They shape our reality, molding our perception of what's possible or impossible. Our words create our beliefs. Success or failure is born out of our words. Even in the face of adversity, our words and thoughts stand as fearless watchmen. They breathe life into resilience, fortitude, and unwavering determination. The power they possess transcends obstacles. Our words and thoughts are miracle workers. They cause us to become who we have always wanted to be if we marinate on them daily. In 2003, I declared a seemingly impossible ambition: to relocate to America. This dream, swirling like a distant mirage, seemed beyond reach for a young man with no connections or money. Yet with an unwavering belief, I began to mold my reality. I visualized myself navigating bustling American streets and working in corporate America. Remember, the words you speak or the thoughts you harbor are not mere whispers in the wind. They are seeds sown in the fertile garden of your destiny. Nurture them wisely, for they hold the potential to blossom into realities. As you tread the path ahead, be mindful of the dialogue you have with yourself. Choose words that embolden and thoughts that envision greatness. Let your narrative be one of limitless possibilities and victory over limitations. So what future are you creating for yourself? How often do you say negative things about yourself or your life? How much of your time do you spend thinking about negative things? Today I challenge you, my friend, to speak boldly and think expansively. For within your words and thoughts lies the transformative force that shapes the masterpiece of your destiny. On a momentous day, August 19, 2007, I set foot on American soil. My words and thoughts became my reality. The power of our words and thoughts shapes our tomorrow, so choose them wisely. If this video helped you, please share, like, and subscribe to the channel. This will help the channel to reach more people. And don't forget to leave a comment. This is Kenny signing off. Thank you for watching. And remember, there's greatness in you. Until next time, stay blessed, my friends.